Welcome to Malone Post, I'm Lincoln. Welcome to the new studio. Stick around to the end of the video. We're gonna show a little bit of building this wall and like cleaning this up and stuff, making the new space really nice. But first, before we do that, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of a Linus Tech Tips water bottle. I've been watching Linus Tech Tips for at least 69 years.
Very nice.
Every day they're telling me lttstore.com, lttstore.com. Well, finally, I picked one of these up off Amazon, and I'm interested to see if the quality is actually as good as they promote on their channel. So let's dive into this really quick and just see. First and foremost, I love the box packaging. That is printed really nicely, really well done. Comes in a nice bubble wrap. That is screen printed really nicely. Feels pretty heavy duty. It says it's insulated. Oh yeah, it's definitely insulated. Like there's a thick, it must be an air layer. Like some water bottles you'll find like thermoses and stuff. I don't know if they still do it, but like old thermoses had like a glass layer in the middle. This seems to be just kind of like an air bubble layer in between, but like holy crap, this is real nice.
This is just a real nice surprise.
I figured it might be a little bit more textured, but it's not. It's all kind of one level and it looks so nice. lttstore.com, as they say. Because I needed a new water bottle and it was like, all right, finally I'm pulling the trigger on my LTT water bottle. So I'm really happy with that. We'll have a link to their store as well as their Amazon link in our description down below. Yeah, thanks for watching this review in the new studio. Like I said, stay tuned for a little behind the scenes, Hunky Matt and I building this wall. Well, that'll do it for us today at Malone Post. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the like button if you like this video. As well, subscribe so you never miss a review because we got a whole bunch of new stuff coming from this space. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Lincoln. This is Malone Post.